Get active at work with the Corsivo Sit-Stand Workstation. Smooth gas spring height adjustment allows you to work comfortably sitting or standing. Find the perfect working position with unlimited adjustability and a 15.5-inch height range. Change positions effortlessly with one-handed adjustment. Lift or lower your sit-stand with ease by simply holding the handle on the right side. And with Corsivo, your entire workspace adjusts with you. We know that people work in different ways, so we designed a spacious two-tiered platform that gives you room for one monitor, two monitors, a laptop, and more. Your phone, tablet, or other accessories can move with you using the integrated device channel on the top platform. Your Corsivo offers easy setup with a simple two-piece assembly. The optional lower platform is easy to install and has plenty of room for your keyboard and mouse. So stand up for long-term comfort and flexibility and work actively with Corsivo, the sit-stand workstation designed to help you work better.